Hi, and welcome back to Chicago Car Club. My name is Mike. Today we're going to be taking you around this 1986 Monte Carlo SS. This is a factory T-top car. It is fully documented. We have ownership records all the way back on the car through all of its mileage, all of its service intervals, everything. We're going to take you around, show you everything that we see, inside, outside, the good, the bad, try and get you comfortable making a purchasing decision off of our videos and pictures alone. As always, we encourage you to come take a look at the car in person, but understanding that not everybody can. So we're here to be completely transparent, and we want to take you around and show you everything that we see here. So this is a factory silver car, largely original paint on it, believe it or not. It was painted below the stripe on the side of the car, which we'll show you, likely for some rust repair and any other blemishes they wanted to take care of. But the car originated in Michigan, spent most of its life between Michigan and Ohio, and we're proud to have this car. It's really, really clean inside. It's been really well cared for. I mean, the documentation on this thing is just incredible. Again, factory T-top car. We've got the original bags for it, which we'll show you. Want to point out there's a little bit of some blistering around on the lower edges. Looks like whenever it was repaired was quite some time ago, and we can see some blistering down low on the car. We did put a paint gauge on the upper portion of the panels, and they're all original paint, which is pretty cool. So everything below this stripe was repainted at some point, likely 20 years ago or better, but we'll show you when we get inside the doors. Some of the inside of the door inner liners on them are a little crumbly on the bottom, on the inside. We just want to be completely open with you about it and show you everything. The car is super straight. It's got a clean Carfax, which we have. We'd be happy to send it to you at any point. And it's a really neat car. It's well optioned. It's a true SS, and it's quite a survivor. Wheels and tires are in good condition. Original striping on it, which is checked, which is kind of cool. And you can see down here on the rocker, there's some blistering there. Everything's solid on it, but there's definitely some, definitely was some rust. It was Z-Bart undercoated at some point. And as you'll see as we get inside, the interior on this thing is just impeccable. Shows 137,000 miles on the, well, it shows 37,000 miles on the odometer. We know from the service records that's actually 137,000. Quite a time capsule here. Runs and drives really well. Mechanically, it is in excellent condition. It does have air conditioning, although the compressor is not kicking on right now. We haven't done anything to look into that, but I want to bring that to your attention. Windows are nice. They roll nice and easily. Inside the jams are nice here. Car has no interior odors whatsoever, no stains. Its interior looks like a 10,000 mile interior. You can see here on the lower edge of the door, a little crumbly on the inner liner there. These cars were notorious for that. But everything up top and up at high and around, again, original paint on it. It has the L69 5-liter high output V8, 373 limited slip, rear axle in it, F41 suspension. It is a 12U silver color code, and it does have the CC1, which is the glass T-tops. See down on the bottom edge of the door here. From the outside it looks pretty good, but on those inner edges there it's kind of ugly and could be cleaned up. Headliner's in pretty good shape. The seats are incredible. The original carpets are really nice. The dash is impeccable. All the switches, gauges, there's no corrosion. It is super clean. We'll get the car up in the air as well and show you the underside. Get you under the hood right now. All the lights, switches, all functional. Pretty clean, very original under the hood. power brakes, power steering, all the usual options on these. Again, we encourage you to reach out by call or text anytime at 312-420-3696. We're going to hop in the car here in a minute and take it around the block and show you how it runs and drives. Again, it shifts really well, stops really well. Inside the trunk here, we've got the original T-tops in their bags. The T-tops are in great shape. All your RPO codes, spare, trunk liner. We've got the original mats. And we can see from the repairs on it that, again, it was undercoated at some point. My guess would be they sprayed the inside of the trunk at some point. I don't know if they came factory in black like that, but all the gauges work, radios work, fans work, defroster works, wipers, turn signals. Just want to show you everything here that we see. You'll see when we drive it how well it shifts in and out of gear, no hesitation, runs beautifully, stops nice and straight. It's very, very confidence-inspiring to drive. We've got, I would say, close to 100 service records on this car, maybe more, and that includes the original warranty booklet, original manuals, and even a small ring folder or a small ring notebook with every oil change and any service or work done on the car at any point. Very, very thorough, very attentive ownership on it, and very intentional with holding on to all their records and receipts. So there's thousands of dollars of receipts here, an incredible amount. And as you can see, the dash works properly. It runs and drives great. We'll jump on the brakes with no hand on the wheel. It stops nice and straight. Makes great power, doesn't smoke at all on startup, it runs nice and clean. No engine noises, no suspension noises that we can hear. Feels really tight going down the road. It seems like they were pretty religious about alignments and things like that on the car based on the records we have. Always nice to find a car like this with some pride of ownership following it. Again, car's up on the lift now. We'll take you around, show you the lower edge of these panels. You got to get up and close to see this stuff, but we do want to point it out. Nothing to hide on these cars. They're not perfect. We haven't seen a perfect one yet. So we like to call them for what they are. But this is a really straight, very original car. See a little bit of blistering there on the outer rocker, bottom edge of the doors, and this is all stuff that can be cleaned up pretty easily. If I were to keep this car, I would probably do the same thing they did before, which is paint below the stripe, keep the original paint on the car because it's in such good condition, and just clean up some of the areas around the doors and whatnot. But you can see underneath, the frame's nice and solid. A little bit of usual scaling underneath the car. Some of the undercoating. Again, we always encourage you. We're happy to jump on a FaceTime call, chat with you over the phone, text with you, send you more pictures, links to our Dropbox and things like that, so we can get you everything that you need to make a purchasing decision. But again, please feel free to reach out by call or text anytime at 312-420-3696 or at chicarclub@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. We look forward to speaking with you.